stand by for important weather information.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Beltrami County in north-central Keysota, Brown County in south Minnesota, David County in northwest Keysota, Polk County in north-central Keysota, Redwood County in southwest Minnesota, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This dangerous storm was located near Walnut Grove, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Revere, Lamberton, Sanborn, Walnut Grove, Harlan, Angora, Waupun. For your protection, move indoors to a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive in areas where water covers the road.